Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Leo de My Spanish Lesson y estoy aquí para enseñarte español. Hello guys, today we are going to see el verbo tener. El verbo tener, the verb to have. You know that in Spanish we have two meanings for have, for to have. Haber o tener. So in this video we are going to see when we use tener in Spanish. But first of all, let's start with the conjugation of the verb tener. You know that tener is an irregular verb in Spanish, so it doesn't follow any rule in the conjugation. So you need to learn it by heart, guys. Unfortunately, but it's very easy. It's very easy. If you look at here, I'm gonna show you how to conjugate el verbo tener. So let's do it together. Let's do it together. So we have yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. You see? Very easy. Can you pronounce it? Go ahead. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now that we know the conjugation of el verbo tener, to have, let's see when do we use to have in Spanish. First of all, we use to have to talk about possessions and belongings, okay? For example, I'll give you a couple of examples with el verbo tener. For example, when you say, yo tengo una casa en Santo Domingo. Yo tengo una casa en Madrid. Yo tengo un coche blanco. If you are in Latin America, yo tengo un carro blanco. Okay, so here we are using el verbo tener for possession. Okay, another use of el verbo tener is feeling and sensation. Okay, sentimientos y sensaciones. Okay, for example, sometime in English you use the verb to be for this one. For example, when you say I'm hungry, you are using to be. In Spanish we use tener. Okay, so we say tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. Tengo sueño. Tengo sueño. Tengo sed. Tengo sed. Tengo calor. Tengo calor. Tengo frío. Tengo frío. Okay? So you see, for these feelings and sensation, we use tener. Sometimes in English you use to be. Okay, so don't get confused, guys. Very good. Another use of el verbo tener is to talk about your age. To ask an answer about your age, we use tener. So the question is, ¿cuántos años tienes? So how old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 25 años. Tengo 25 años. Okay, so I'm 25 years old. So for the H, we use to have in Spanish. Tener. Ok, chicos. Muy bien. Ok, ahora vamos a hacer algunas frases con el verbo tener. So let's practice. Let's make a couple of sentences with el verbo tener. Ok, so for example, yo tengo un teléfono móvil. Ella tiene una casa bonita. Ellos tienen dos buenos amigos. Nosotros tenemos un buen profesor de español. Muy bien, chicas. Okay. So here we have a couple of examples with el verbo tener. So it's very simple. Can you conjugate el verbo tener? Can you make sentences with el verbo tener? Very good, guy. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.